Hello, I'm Tina. I'm a nutritional therapist and I really love to make good, tasty food that's actually good for you. I used to have a shop and it was called Tina's Kitchen, and I used to make nutritional meals, lunches, and things, and produced a cookbook, which I should have had to hand, but it's here. So, this is the cookbook. What I'm doing at the moment is recording me making a lot of these recipes from the book. So, hopefully, you'll see how easy and quick they are. The idea is that the video that you watch will be around 15 minutes, and we'll speed up the boring bits like grating carrots, for example, or when there's lots of chopping, but it still won't take much longer than that to prepare. And obviously, the first time you make something, it's going to take a long time or longer than normal. As you get more familiar with it, you'll find shortcuts. And I do try and make as many shortcuts as possible, and also reduce the washing up as much as I can, using only one container and all that kind of thing. So hopefully there'll be some useful tips just for general cooking, and there will be tips about the nutritional value of what I'm doing as well.